We'll guide you through how to use Instagram stories. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on Instagram, and we're guiding you through Instagram stories. Make sure it's this full guide so you don't miss out on anything important, as we're covering lots. So what are Instagram stories? Well, if you come to the home in the bottom left and look at the top here, you're going to go and see stories from people you follow. These are vertical and full screen videos or photos that are going to disappear 24 hours after they've been posted. They're just for sort of general content you want to go and post. They aren't on your feed. So we can go and get started with adding them. So what you can do is on the homepage is you can go and tap on your story in the top left like so, or you can go and swipe across and select story at the bottom. So if you go and press the your story in the top left, you can go and immediately go and see your gallery here and choose one from there, a photo or video, or we can press the camera icon. You can go and take one now or tap and hold that button to go and start recording. You can still go and open up your gallery by pressing it in the bottom left, by the way. Also, if you go over to the left and press the arrow pointing down, you can go and see you've got the option for create. So you can tap that there, and then you can go and choose a solid color. You can change it in the bottom right here. Or if I go and close out of this and press it again, you can go and make a boomerang, which is like a back and forth video, it's a loop. Or you can go and make a layout. So essentially you can go and make a collage, press change grid, and you can go and choose the layout there you want. If I go and open it up again, and then you've also got the option for hands-free. So you can go and record without having to go and tap and hold the button. So you can go and choose how you want to go and get the media. I'm just going to go and take one now like this, but you can go and choose one from your gallery as I showed you. And you can also go and use a solid color background as well. So now that you've gone and taken it, the next thing you want to do is you can come over to the right and press the arrow pointing down. And you're going to see at the top, you can start adding text. So I could tap there. I can go and type in something I want to put like, hey. Then you can go and see the different formatting tools. So at the top, you've got the fonts. Then you can go and choose the color. Then you can go and choose the different effects here if you want to go and appear in a certain way. You can then go and add in different animations and effects again. Tap this one and you can go and choose how it's centered. Then you can press that block at the end and go and choose the background like so. So there's lots of different ways you can go and edit it to your liking. If you want to go and delete it, you tap and hold it, you can move it and pinch on it to resize it as well, by the way. But to delete it, you can then tap and hold and put it on the trash can, like so. If we go over to the right, next you've got the option for stickers. So here are different things you can go and add onto your story. At the top, you've got like location, you can mention other users. You can go and add music, add photos, add GIFs, add your own. You can add different frames, add a question so people can ask you questions, do cutouts, highlights. You can go and add avatars, add a template, do a poll, add this bar here, add a link, add hashtags, do donations, products, and a countdown as well. And you can scroll down here and see different things as well. So lots of different things. So for example, you may want to go and add in photo, tap on one you want, and then you can go and overlay it on here. And you can tap on it to go and change how it's cut out as well. So that's pretty cool. And then once you're happy with it, let me go and find this one, press done, and you can go and tap and hold to move it around and pinch on it to go and resize it. So you can go and edit that to your liking. Next, you can go and add music. So you can press audio and you're going to go and see loads of tracks here. So I can go add this one here, for example, tap on it, press the arrow in the bottom right. Then what you can do here is you can go and choose the section and you can choose the length over to the left. And at the top here, you can choose if you want to go and have the lyrics on the screen, or if you want to go and have the track. You can go and choose how it's going to go and look. Then you can go and press done in the top right, and there it is. I'll just go and resize that like so. What you can also do is press the arrow to the right, add partnerships and ads. That won't apply to most people, but if you're doing something about partnership, you can go and do that there. Press mention, and you can go mention other users, and then they can go and have that notification. They can put it on their story. There are different effects here. So you can drag across it and have a go with that and change how it looks. Then you can go and draw. So this literally means you can go and draw like so. What can be cool if you go and choose a color at the bottom, then just tap and hold your finger on the screen, it will go and make the entire thing that color, which can be cool. And you've got different options at the top you can go through to your liking. Next, you can go and download it to your gallery if you want to. Perhaps you took a cool one in the camera and you want to have it saved. And then you can press more and you can do if it's AI and disable the commenting if you want. Now at the bottom, you can go and choose if you want to go and put it onto your story, which means all your followers can see it. If your account's public, anybody can see it, or you can go and post it to just your close friends. Close friends are selected people you want to go and show it to. So you can go and do that if you want to. But in this case, I'm going to press your story in the bottom left. And now it's going to go and start uploading. You can go and see it, then highlight your profile icon and you can tap on it. There it is. In the bottom left, you can press activity and see who's gone and viewed it. You can go and share it on other platforms, mention people, send it. And you can also press more and you can go and highlight it. What this means is that you can then press add and then it's going to go and remain on your profile, which is cool. So even when it expires, it will still remain here and people can see it. If you found this useful, then leave a like.